Tenfold Net Zero was developed as part of the implementation of the DAERA innovation strategy. So it came about through conversations that we had had with Digital Catapult to try and come up with a different scheme that we hadn't looked at before that would encourage public and private collaboration and innovation schemes with a focus on the net zero challenges that we're all facing.
The idea behind the accelerator model is really bringing together industry challenge owners with technology solution providers. So it gives the opportunity for real-world business challenges to be addressed using that deep technology capability.
And I think bringing together Digital Catapult with their expertise, ourselves with our practical farming knowledge, and our contractor and soil benchmarks who had good knowledge on both sides of those, I think really formed a perfect partnership in bringing this proof of concept to life.
So Digital Catapult have been really helpful in two ways. The first, I guess, is ultimately, linking us in and helping kind of frame this challenge, frame the solution we were going to build in the first place. And then the second is throughout the program, they've got this whole kind of depth of expertise in different areas of technology that we've been able to pull on.
It seemed to us a great opportunity to explore the possibility of using technology to help our drive towards net zero through our Future Strong farm sustainability program. What we've achieved from this program is establishing a proof of concept of this project, and there's options therefore to scale it across not only our dairy cooperative but the industry in general.
This seemed the perfect opportunity to broaden our knowledge in a new sector. We had a lot of learning from the programme and actually a lot about what the other potential opportunities that there are in the agricultural sector for the technology that we've been using.
The company's mission is to achieve zero emissions glass by 2030. The Tenfold Net Zero Accelerator program is perfectly aligned to our mission. Our challenge is to make initial steps towards decarbonisation of our process by improving quality inspection.
With this program it was really short, so it had to be a very aggressive, very simple solution. Otherwise we were never going to deliver anything. What we didn't expect was to be able to get so far, so fast in this challenge. And this one just worked nicely. It was well framed, well thought through, and well delivered.
DAERA have, I suppose, led the charge and taken forward an accelerator like this. And hopefully we've been able to show to other departments, other public sector bodies what is possible if you do take a risk when it comes to innovation. And also that you can make differences in a fairly short period of time and build that actual collaboration between the public sector and private sector to make differences when it comes to challenges like net zero.
Well, I think for industry, I hope it's quite evident what the lasting impact of the project will be in terms of the productive relationships that occur between the challenge owners and the solution providers.
The programme has given us a really good head start in our race to achieve net zero by 2030.
Digital Catapult was central to this whole project through providing the framework for us to achieve this.
And I think we have the beginnings now of a tool which could have an enormous amount of impact.
Ultimately this project is going to help us as Soil Benchmark scale up, and this is a kind of another brick in the wall to helping us build that complete product that agronomists are asking for. And ultimately that's going to help us scale not just in the UK but across Europe.